Hi guys, welcome to the Bike Sanctuary. My name's Ben and today I'm showing you this really cool custom cruiser. It's made by Honda and it's called the CMX500. It's an entry-level cruiser for A2 legal riders or above. It's got the Honda parallel twin engine 471 cc's, making just over 40 brake horsepower. And it's a typical custom cruiser just without the vibey V-twin. So you've got the cruiser front end there, the typical fat tyres. You've got combined front and rear ABS on this bike. Typical sort of cruiser front end, relatively high bars and quite a low seat actually. So if you're like me and you've got a slightly shorter inner leg, this bike will be perfect for you. In pretty much standard condition, we've got a luggage rack as you can see, we've got some aftermarket levers. The engine's been unmolested, but it does benefit from an aftermarket exhaust, which sounds absolutely awesome. Otherwise, the bike's pretty much standard. It's got the luggage rack on the back there if you want it. As you can see, a really low seat height on this, with a slightly forward mounted set of controls. So your legs are ever so slightly forward, so it's a really comfortable riding position. It's chain driven, as you can see. The chain, tyres, brakes and everything like that have all been checked and are in fantastic condition. As part of our prep, obviously we'll check over the whole bike and all the rest of it. Comes with both keys, Honda service history, all the original paperwork and stuff like that. It's also data tagged, so that's good for the insurance. Come up to the cockpit. It's quite a cool tank this. It's sloped right up, very similar to a Harley style, but obviously a lot cheaper. So the keys side mounted, as you'd expect from a custom. Quite a cool retro digital dash. There you can see the mileage. It's covered just over 5,000 miles. Let's give it a start up. So it's a lovely sounding bike. We've got the original exhaust as well, if you wanted to fit it. But why would you? It sounds awesome. Bike's in pretty good condition. There's a couple of wear and tear signs on here that a new owner might want to be aware of. And it's the same sort of stuff as you always see with Hondas. Small amounts of corrosion. It's actually okay on this side, but small amounts of corrosion form on the front sides of the engine casings. So there you can just see it there. And the reason for that is because there's nothing to protect them from all the elements that flick up to the front. There's a tiny little mark on the rear fender that you can just about see below the Rebel Honda emblem. Other than that, the bike's in very good clean condition. No signs of being dropped or anything like that. It's been well maintained and really well loved by its previous owner. Happy to take inquiries on the bike. You can reach out to us via WhatsApp, Facebook and all the usual channels. We do offer a 3-month warranty as standard on our bikes, and at the moment we're offering free delivery on this bike, so make sure you take advantage of that. That's enough from me. Thanks for watching and I look forward to speaking to you soon.